Today at Mullin Machinery we have a Bridgeport Series 1 2 horsepower 3-axis CNC milling machine. It has the Easy Vision control on it, all original paint, power drawbar. The table is in absolutely super condition with all the scraper marks in it. Aside from that little minor nick there, that's the only mark in the entire table. Chrome knee is perfect. The head runs quiet, but we don't have a collet in it at the moment because I didn't put air on because the air compressor would make noise in the video. So you hear a very slight rattle of the drawbar, but that's about it. So we'll go over to the control. Let's see, put the spindle forward, start, please turn on the spindle for running program, spindle on, okay. Get the head on. Okay, let's see what we can get going here. This third axis feeding down. Let's see. Y-axis feeding. X-axis just moved. I'll stop it and jog the axes so we can, let's see, jog, jog X, jog X, jog Y, jog X, jog Y, okay. Okay, we're jogging the axes, the table's nice and quiet. Jog Z, or jog the quill. Jog X. Jog Y. So it functions well, screws are quiet, head's quiet. I ran the one program that was in it. Check this machine out and more at mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com.